Hello dear students, welcome back to this video lecture, and in this video lecture here I am going to discuss Dasara holiday practice paper 1 subject English SSLC students. So in this Dasara holidays I have decided to send you practice papers, and it is our series only. We are solving the practice paper series, and as per my series it is the third practice paper, but for my students it is a practice paper 1, and we are going to discuss the answers of this all the questions. As I have followed the board pattern, choose the correct alternative for 6 marks. It is a compulsory question, and the first question is she visits her village often. The appropriate question tag to be added is, now here the question tag is a compulsory question, and visits, you just focus on visits. Visits is the verb form and yes is added there. It's a simple present tense. The reason is visit is there, and visit is a V1 form of verb, and visits in only simple present tense we add yes or es to the verb. So definitely, surely it is a simple present tense, and options are does she, didn't she, doesn't she, and don't she. And the correct answer is doesn't she. Doesn't she. Doesn't she is correct answer because the sentence is positive. The question tag will be negative. Next, articles. Articles also is a compulsory question, and here if you see the sentence, Ganga and Jamuna are the most important rivers. Now the rule of article is before the names of river, ocean, sea, mountain, we need to add the. Both subjects or the nouns are river, the name of river. Ganga is also river, Jamuna is also the river. So the Ganga and the Jamuna are the most important rivers. So option A is the correct answer, the. Third question is figure of speech. The floorboards groaned. The floorboards groaned under the weight of each step. Now, floorboards cannot groan. It is a quality of human beings given to inanimate thing. That a floorboard is a inanimate thing, and groaning is the quality of human beings given to floorboards. It is personification, none other. Actually it is a personification figure of speech. So option number C is the correct answer. Fourth one, the hunters. Select the correct verb form, and 4 options are given. The hunters is there. You see, here there no need to find out any tense and all. The reason, if you see the subject and if you know the subject verb agreement, subject is a hunters and the subject is a plural. Hunters is the plural, and always if the subject is a plural, verb form also will be plural. Now was is a singular, has is a singular, has is a singular. 3 options will go directly, no need to think. So hunters is the plural and have only one is the plural form. So the correct option is the hunters have been killing animals for 20 years. D option is the correct, have been. The reason, has singular, was also singular. So the correct answer is the hunters have been killing animals for 20 years. Next one, the students were instructed to. It is a phrasal verb question. Sometimes in a board examination it is asked. So phrasal verb means what? Verb which followed by preposition. That is called phrasal verb, and actually the meaning of the phrasal verb is different. What we think that meaning is not there, the different meaning is there. So always you need to read or you need to learn some phrasal verbs because the meaning is different. You see here, go along, go through, go into, go away. Go verb is same here, but after go preposition is different. Along, through, into, and away. And all these 4 phrasal verbs, they have different meaning. According to sentence, it should be added. So the students were instructed to Go through the questions. Go through the questions before they answer them. Go through is the correct answer. I suggest you to find out what is the meaning of go along, go into, and go away. Okay, go away means go far, far away, go far away. Go along means with someone. So like this, the meanings are different. You need to find out what is the meaning of go along, go into, and go away. Next question is, we walked on surface, but the surface was rough. Now the rough word is underlined word, and the question is, choose the antonym of the underlined word. Opposite word you have to choose of the rough. Rough and smooth. Smooth is the correct opposite word for the rough. So like we can say now rough and smooth. Rough and smooth. So this is also a very important question. Sometimes they are asking. Next one. Second question is rewrite as directed for 4 marks of 4 questions I have given here. Change the voice of the sentence is the first. He gave some guest lectures. Now he gave some guest lectures. He is the subject, gave is a verb, and gave is a V2 means it's a simple past. Some guest lectures is the object. Let's take object first. Some guest lectures were given by him. Correct passive voice of the sentence is some guest lectures were given by him. Frame a question to get the underlined words as answer. See here, it is a WH question, framing WH question. Jim rectified his all mistakes. Underlined part in the sentence is his all mistakes. Now, his all mistakes, what is this? This is the thing or any object. Okay. So what will come for the WH question? What will come? Now, rectified. Rectified is a V2. It's a simple past. Simple past means did. Did helping verb we need to use here to make WH question. And correct WH question for this sentence is what did Jim rectify? What did Jim rectify? Why rectify? Because we have used here did, and whenever we use did, the next verb form or the same verb form will change into V1. That everyone knows. Change the sentence into exclamatory, which is compulsory question, dear students, which is very easy. The team accomplished very huge victory. Now the sentence has only very. So exclamatory sentence will begin with how. How huge victory the team accomplished! Exclamation mark. Remember, exclamatory sentence ends with verb or auxiliary verb and exclamation mark. So the correct exclamatory sentence is how huge victory the team accomplished. 10th question is number 10. Use not only but also. Saint Teresa was a social worker and religious reformer. Use not only but also. Remember, everyone knows that instead of and we have to use but also. And after that, where to use not only? The correct rule of not only but also is about it's a subject, verb and object. Actually, if we use but also before subject, then not only also we should use before subject only. If we use but also before verb, then not only also will come before verb. Now here we are using not but also before object because religious reformer is the object. So but we are using because we know instead of and we have to use but also. So but also we have used before object. One more object is there in the sentence, social worker. Correct answer is Saint Teresa was not only social reformer but also religious reformer. So Saint Teresa was not only social worker but also religious reformer. So these are the answers. These are the answers of these all questions. I hope you are solving all these questions in your grammar notebook. Try to complete. It is a first paper for you. Second paper also I'm going to share with you, and after that I will discuss the answers of the questions. So if you like the video, please like the video and comment if any query is there, any doubt is there, if you have any doubt and query. So thank you very much for supporting and wish you happy Dasara vacations, and keep studying. Thank you. This is Vikram Karade.